Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very special chicken recipe. This is chicken handi. Now handi is an earthen pot, so we're going to make this delicious recipe using a pot. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the chicken handi recipe, first step is to marinate the chicken. For this, I'm going to use 1 cup of thick curd, add the juice of 1 lemon. Next, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons Kashmiri Red Chili Powder, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Mix everything together. Let it sit for about 30 minutes before cooking. I'm using a mud pot to make this recipe, but if you don't have one, you can do it in any other kadai. Add 1 tablespoon oil, 2 teaspoons ghee. To this I'm going to add all the whole spices, starting with bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and mace. Add 1 large onion thinly sliced. Next add 2 green chilies slit, 1 whole teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next add a small bunch of fresh coriander leaves. Next add the puree of 2 tomatoes. Next I'm going to add the marinated chicken pieces. I'm just going to add 1 cup of water. Just mix it gently. I'm going to season it with half teaspoon of salt. Close and cook for about 20 minutes. Make sure to stir it at intervals. The chicken is cooked. So I'm going to add half cup of cashew paste. So once the chicken is cooked and the gravies come together beautifully, add a little Kasuri Methi. Just crush it between your palms. Turn off the stove. Serve it hot. You can enjoy this delectable chicken handi with some roti, naan or rice. The link to the butter naan is given in the description. You can get that recipe and enjoy the chicken handi with the butter naan. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.